Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're not vlogging, today we're decorating slime. My wonderful boss got slime and now I'm playing with it. Let's put some clay in it. Okay, ready? Oh, crap. Okay, ready? How do people do this? Okay, ready? Oh no! Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna be straight up with you. I think you're supposed to separate these into fives or whatever.
What? This looks like marbles. It's like it's pretty mixed up, so let me do one big stretch and twirl, and then we'll add some more toppings onto it.
It smells awful.
My technique is from ribbon candy videos on YouTube and Instagram. Okay, should we do sprinkles, stars, glitter, or these?
That one.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we mix it in first and then add the rest, or?
I like how you try to part it like the Red Sea.
I'm gonna do some stretch and folds. Ooh, let me get it from the other side actually, because it looks pretty sick. Ready? Some stretch and folds. This is my sourdough technique. Oh, it's in my wallet. Look at all that. Just wait till this thing clears up. Ready? Okay, ready? This is how you mix in inclusions when you make sourdough, just so you know. Okay, should we do glitter or sprinkles next?
Sprinkles. It's giving rolled ice cream.
Okay, ready? That was so satisfying.
Okay.
This looks like one of those blobfish silicone art things. Okay, ready? Should we do glitter or stars?
What does the glitter look like? Let's do that. Or wait, we should save that for last.
Yeah, let's save it for last. This is the stars.
Ew.
These look like those glow-in-the-dark ones that you put on your
Yeah.
ceiling. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's roll it up this time. Is that how you roll up dough too? And then you go like this. Oh, what?
My finger was in the way for a second.
There. And then you flip it. And this is exactly the technique you use when making bread loaves. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
The last one.
Look here.
Glitter. My stomach is starting to hurt. Maybe I shouldn't have had a laxative last night and they eat a Crunchwrap Supreme.
Oh. say Alex. How far have you edited our video of us in Orlando since from August?
I'm happy to announce that I am halfway through the video.
Yay! That's in kids cheering sound effect.
Oh my god.
She said coming soon.
Coming soon. Thanks for watching. I'm hoping this will take it off.